Okay, we're almost there to the summit. Singwa, where are you right now?
We are almost to the summit of the
Nibb Knobs Trail. Yeah, it was. How is the hike coming up
Oh,
here?
I love it. It's quite a bit of elevation, but good thing we're taking
Yeah. Yeah, the hardest part of the hike is going down. Are you looking forward to it?
Not really. I'd rather stay on top of the summit.
I know. I can climb one more of this, but not going down. Going down. Okay, you ready, guys? Doesn't look like too steep. Or, yeah, we need a sled or we need a ski here to go down. Okay, Georgie, you ready? Don't drag me, okay? Slow down. Going down is not really easy. Don't run, Georgie. So we'll do heels first, heel or sideways. Holy crap! Hold on. Oh shoot! Yeah, it's just too rocky. Too rocky. Oh my goodness. Okay, Sima. Okay, I'm not too excited going down, you know. But we have to go down. Okay, George, let's go. Come on. Where are you? Oh my goodness. Come on, right here. Up, up, up. No. George, no. Come here. Okay. You drinking water? Okay, let's go. Come on. Right here. Georgie. He doesn't want to go. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Don't get rid. Come on, it's okay. Come on, let's go. You can